Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at this gorgeous Breguet Classique watch. This is a 30mm piece, which I think is a great size for an everyday watch, and it's an automatic movement, so that means you don't have to worry about replacing any batteries in the future. To me, this case is a very masculine structure with the kind of rigid lines on the sides of the case, but I think it's balanced so beautifully with these gorgeous diamonds on the bezel and on the lugs. The face itself is also equally beautiful because it's got this wave guilloche detailing and the wave diamond pattern, which I think is such a playful detail, as well as the wave little element. I think that the Arabic numerals and the hands have such an Art Deco, like 1920s feel, which adds a lot of playfulness to the style, and I think it's such an interesting piece and such an unusual piece, not one that you see every single day. I think this is a great choice for a lady who wants an everyday watch that's got a lot of interest on the dial and is not just a plain face. And this would be a great piece in any ladies collection, especially those who want that touch of glamour in an everyday situation. So if you're interested in this watch, check it out because we've only got one at SwissWatchExpo.com.